Hey guys, in today's video we're going to start some Plumeria seeds germinating inside. It is March the 11th. We will start the seeds soaking and continue this video all the way through until we have some germination. Thank you for watching. Okay, so I've got 5 different varieties of Plumeria seeds. I'm going to start soaking them in these cups of water here on the heat mat for 12 to 24 hours, and then we will get them in a container to start germinating. Okay, so all 5 varieties are soaking. I'll leave them here for 12 to 24 hours. "16 hours into soaking in the lukewarm water, and you can see seeds are starting to sink to the bottom. Okay, so now it's been 24 hours, and as you can see, all of the seeds have absorbed the water and have sunk to the bottom of their respective cups. I went ahead and filled up these starter trays. This is just some generic seed starting mix. I did moisten the soil with some Super Thrive mixed with water. So we'll get these potted up, get the little domes over the top of them, and I've got them also on top of a heat mat, and get them germinating. When you plant these, you do want the little wing, the top part right here that's clear above the soil. The main seed is this dark part here at the bottom. You want that in the soil. I'm using just a little plant label here just to make a little divot in the soil to be able to stick the seed down inside. Just like that. And with the little tail or wing above the surface. Okay, so March the 12th, here they are in the starter tray. I'll get the dome put on top, and we'll continue the video as they start to germinate. Today is March the 16th, 2023. Still have the Plumeria seeds in the grow trays located on top of a heat mat here inside. You can see lots of condensation on the domes. No outward signs of germination just yet, no sprouts. We'll take a look in a day or so and keep you updated. Alright, it's now March the 19th. This is day 7, and as you can see, we have germination. A little green at the bottom of that one there. That one there starting to come out. Not a lot of signs on the others yet, but 7 days in and it's starting. Alright, it's now March the 27th. This is day 16 for the Plumeria seeds, and as you see, the majority are already sprouting with 2, and some with even 4 little leaves. I've taken them out of the little domes because they were growing up to reach the top of it now. I just need to make sure to keep plenty of light on them and also keep them moist but not saturated. Okay, it's now day 17. This is March the 28th, 2023, and I have. I have repotted into the red solo cups. a few of the seedlings. And that's just a quick little look at how to germinate Plumeria from seeds. Taking a quick look at a few of my other Plumeria, my larger ones. This one is my largest one right now. The inflow is dying off on it. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 branches. I will eventually cut that one and start a new tree. And we have 3 branches on this side. A little smaller one here. Down here I have some cuttings. There's some blooms on that one back there. And some more cuttings up here. We have one that has started to leaf out on these so far. The rest are still taking their time. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll be loading up more videos to give you some updates on the seedlings, along with my Bismarck palm trees and others. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing.